Have you ever tried starting your Toyota Vios and suddenly nothing happens? Today I'll share what happened when my Vios battery started draining after 3 years and why I decided to switch to a new Motolite Gold battery. After about 3 years of regular use, I noticed my Toyota Vios was having trouble starting. Slow crank, dim lights, and sometimes the car wouldn't start at all. This is actually very common, especially in our hot Philippine weather. Car batteries usually last between 2 and 4 years. Heat, short daily drives, and accessories like dash cams and alarms slowly drain the battery. Over time, the battery can't hold enough charge anymore. Instead of risking a breakdown, I decided it was time to replace the battery. I chose the Motolite Gold, maintenance-free and trusted by many car owners. The Motolite Gold offers strong starting power, reliable performance, and no need to add battery water. It's designed for daily driving and perfect for cars like the Toyota Vios. After installing the new battery, the difference was immediate. Smooth start, brighter lights, and peace of mind every time I turned the key. To make your battery last longer, always turn off accessories before shutting down, drive your car regularly, and have your electrical system checked once in a while. If your Toyota Vios battery is over 3 years old and showing signs of weakness, a replacement like Motolite Gold can save you from unexpected trouble. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.